As the year 2021 comes to an end, a lot of our native wildlife are actually preparing for the cold winter months ahead. This goes for the animals that don't always get a positive perception from the general public. I think it's safe to say that bats have quite a bad reputation. It's certainly gotten stronger over the years. But what people don't understand is these are actually very important, very fascinating animals. And to be fair, I can understand why people may have a negative perception of bats. They've got beady eyes, sharp teeth. A lot of them come out when we're at our most vulnerable at night, and they flap around. But this is actually incredible. In fact, bats are the only group of mammals that have ever evolved powered flight. And in fact, there's over 1,200 species of bat in total. Makes up about a quarter of all mammal species. We're very lucky here in the UK. We have about 18 species living alongside us. And they're all very important for the ecosystem. They essentially provide free pest control because they're all insect eaters, so they regulate the insect numbers. And in other parts of the world, bats also play a key role in spreading the seeds of what they've eaten. So they can spread seeds of various plant species. In fact, it's partly due to bats that we have things like tequila and other alcohol, and even chocolate. So they're very, very incredible animals to have around, very, very fascinating. So the least we can do is make sure they have somewhere safe to sleep over the winter. There's not much insects around in winter months, so bats need to find somewhere nice and safe to sleep over the winter. And we call it torpor, where the bat's body basically involuntarily shuts down in order to save a little bit more energy. So this here, folks, is one of the ways we can help bats out. This here is what we call a batrack. So bats are known for their ability to hang upside down. So the idea is, if you've got a barn or a shed near your house, or possibly in an attic, as long as it's got openings for the bat to come in and out, or the bat, shall I say, because they do roost in groups, depending on the species, they can come in and kind of hang from the rack like that. I mean, the reason why bats hang upside down is so they can drop into the air nice and quick at the first sign of danger. So this will make them feel very secure, because it's very warm inside attics, and it's also sheltered from predators like birds of prey, such as owls. Like we said before, folks, bats do an incredible service for us. They're nature's pest control system. So the least we can do is make sure that we give them somewhere nice and safe to spend the winter months. See you next time, folks.